Welcome back to Shoaib Lives. So long time after I make a video inside the room because nowadays I make video. Nowadays I basically make video in the road, and I have come here for playing cricket. As you can see over there, there are so many players. They are arranging cricket match, and today also I have here for playing cricket. So look at the situation over there. There are a lot of players. They are ready to play cricket, and I am also here for playing cricket. And have a look at the view. Today's weather, I must say, it is totally amazing. As you can see over there, the environment is really cool and really awesome. I must say, it is really, I love this kind of situation. And you know, this situation is not get to all of the times. It takes time to get this kind of weather. And I also love rain, and I love rainy season. So as you can see, all of are ready to play cricket. I shouldn't more it longer this video. So thank you for watching. Have a